I bought this Abus. I don't know how to call this. It's a lock, U-lock. It's made in Germany. So yeah, it's this is the model, and I do like a lot the lock. It's strong, and the key works very nicely. But the bracket, the mounting bracket, it's absolutely horrible to figure out. Okay, so basically there is two pieces, the piece where you secure the mount in, and there is the piece that you put on your bicycle tubes. Also you have these insets. If the tube is smaller diameter, you just insert it into this one to make this gap hole here smaller. So the way it works is that you see this piece has a sliding area. This one is the part that will have to slide, and I did put it, like you see how it goes this way. I put it in here. There is another one, you can slide it there too, but I'm not sure how this works, so I did slide mine on top of this piece. So I should keep the lock like this, inserted right on top. And the way this goes is that you have these washers and these screws, but see here, if you look on one side, that place it's round. On the other side, it's hex. So your washer goes only on this side, where is also the sliding piece. If you put them on the other side, it's going to break loose when you ride the bike. So it goes here, and obviously I'm going to put the second one. So imagine you put the washers here. I'm just dropping because it's not going to stay. And then you are going to, the washers is going to be here, and you are going to slide this with the washer in place over the other piece. Let's try to do it one hand. Oh, it slides from the other side. So we're going to install it like this, push it all the way in, and at this moment the washer is going to be captured inside here, so it's going to stay in between. Those two tiny bits are staying there, and you are going to insert the screws from the top, and the screw is going through the washer, and it's going inside this piece too. So this is actually the piece where the lock is secured on. So you need to insert this screw all the way down. Let me just show you maybe with the other screw is going to enter like this, down, and it's getting inside the other piece. So all this to say that once you put the screws in place, these two pieces here, this one that goes on the bike frame tube and the one that secures the lock, are going to stay attached together by these screws which go deep inside here. So you will not be able to slide them to disconnect these two pieces once you put the screws in. You cannot slide them back detached one from each other. And also this ensures that when you attach the thing on the bike, even if you these two pieces slide onto each other, it's not going to slide back, so you can hang this up in any position. And then when you want to remove the lock to lock your bicycle, this you need to remove, open it with the key, then you remove the rod. Just pull the rod. I'm doing this one hand, and then you slide this off the bracket. It's just one hand filming, so that's why it's a little bit tricky. So that's how it goes. This one will stay on the bicycle, and then you remove the lock from the bicycle and you lock your bicycle. And this is attached like this because there is a second way you can put these two pieces together with this slide here. But when it's attached like this, basically you can perhaps try to attach it like that, or like that, or maybe like this if you have enough space, like this. And also they show somehow to put it this way. It's not good because it's not possible to tighten it enough so it doesn't rotate at all, and it's going to hit the spokes. So you are going to have a surprise when you ride the bicycle. So don't try to attach it this way.